Hello everyone, welcome to CoinVista channel. Today is 24th of January 2025. This is my first video on the CoinVista channel, and I would like to start this year with an amazing project that I'm here since April 2024. So the project is called ZionTrade. ZionTrade is a unique investment platform which uses the most advanced technologies for trading, and I'm going to show you how much did I put here, how much did I earn already. So it's going to be in a few minutes. Let's stick with the first page. Here you can see the income statistics, the 2023 and the 2024. Also I'm going to show you what is altcoins and Bitcoin, Ethereum. 2024 in January I was not here, so let's start from April. It was 18.52% on the April month. Then on May it was 95%, and so on. Also you can see on Bitcoin we have the same as altcoins. In April it was 26.66% and so on. They have a roadmap, so they are just like saying testing the project still. Also you have the feedback of the project. You can click, you can see what the people are saying. You can translate because the project is Russian, so not a lot of English people here. Also you have the FU key. You can click and see what is ZionTrade, how to start earning, how to do the platform's algorithm works. Also by the end of the page you can see the navigation tab, the social network tab, and the documentation. They have Telegram, Instagram, YouTube, Teletype, and the support itself. I don't know what is Teletype is, but I use the Telegram, and they have a big community there. You can ask for questions. You have the bot itself there. Also they have an app there. So let's go ahead to the dashboard. So when I click the dashboard, the first thing we see, it's the total deposits from altcoins, total deposits from bitcoins, and the daily income, the affiliate program, the available for each draw for altcoins and bitcoins. So it's a lot of stuff here. I'm going to try to explain the best as I can. So you have two types, like as you can earn, let's say altcoins and bitcoins. The altcoins, the minimum that you can deposit is 50 USDT, and the total deposit, the minimum deposit from Bitcoin, Ethereum is 500 USDT. I'm currently at level 4, 20%. I'm going to show you the levels because it's something that you need to understand also when you are going to invest here. But before you invest here, you also have a demo account. So when you register on the ZionTrade, you don't need to put straight away the money because you have a demo account with 2000 USDT each on altcoins and bitcoins. It's just going to show you how the project works, so you can be assured that the project is trading, it's everything correct, is not going to take your money or something. Like I said, I'm here since April, and it was not in what time deposit it was. As you see the history, I put 50, then 206, and so on. Also I do the reinvest here. So let's start with the create deposit. So for example, you want to create a deposit for altcoins, you click create deposit. Here you can also choose altcoins, bitcoins. You click create deposit, and here you choose the coin, you choose the network. You have 3 networks here, and you copy the address and just put the money. So let's, like I said, 50 it's the minimum you can put. You just copy and you send the money, and it will be on your account in 10-15 minutes, so do not worry about this. And also the same for Bitcoin, but do not forget it's 500 minimum on the Bitcoin and 50 from the altcoins. Also the available for each draw, you have the conditions that you need to meet for withdraw. So it's once a week that you can withdraw your money. It's every time coming on Monday. No, it's on Monday, I'm sorry. So it's better to be like withdrawing your money every time on a day before that than Monday. and the money will come to your, I don't know, exchange, crypto exchange or something like this. So do not worry. Also, I withdraw a lot of money from here. Like you see, I withdraw already $3,680, and the affiliate program I withdraw already $454. So also you can withdraw the money from affiliate program. It's coming in 10-15 minutes. It's the most fast one, so you don't need to wait till Monday to withdraw the money. You just need to wait to withdraw the money on the altcoins and bitcoins. And the minimum that you can withdraw is $5, and to reinvest the money it's $20. Let me show you how to reinvest the money. So for example, you want to put this $26 working on the altcoins. So you put create deposit. Let's say I'm using every time BEP20, I don't know, it's just something that I'm used to. I'm copying this, then I click withdraw, I put the network. Again, BEP20, please make sure that we are putting the network the same. It needs to be BEP20 if you are putting BEP20 like everywhere, let's say. Do not put Polygon or TRC20. Then you put the address that you just copied. You put the amount. Never put with the dot because it's never working. I don't know why. You always put just round your number. So it's 26. And then you are going to receive a code on Telegram. So you click get code. It's going to come on your Telegram. Because like I said, you need to use Telegram to have this ZionTrade platform. So everything here I showed you. You can click altcoins, bitcoins. Also it's showing you live deals. It's the best that I saw in the, I don't know, in forever, I would say, because every time that the deal is open, I don't have any live deals now opened. It's everything closed. But for example, when you have something open, you just click the coin and you can see on live what the coin does. Is it trading, what the price is, so you are 100% sure that it's trading, everything is correct, so you don't need to be worried. Also it's showing how much did you earn per like say deals. So here I earned 36 cents. Here I lost because not everything is to gain money. You also can lose here. And it shows that this project is real. It doesn't tell you that, oh, you are going to earn 10% every month. You are not going, not 10% every month, I'm sorry, 10% every day. You are going to make millions here. No, sometimes you have bad days, sometimes you have good days, but it's a project that you can put your money and do not stress about it because it's going to work every time. Also, you have the Bitcoin. Yeah, you can see also the live deals. You can see the total that I earned all this time, the weekly income and the daily income. It's not that good. It's minus 37 cents. So I'm not worrying about this. Tomorrow is going to be maybe the same, maybe it's going to be better. But every week I'm making from 150 to 200 or 100 to 250, something like this. Or I already have $96 plus 27 from the affiliate program, so it's really good every week having this money. So you have the affiliate program with the level. So let's talk about level. What is level itself? How can you gain more levels? I would say more XP as in the game. So when you start the first day on your ZionTrade, you have the first level that you can have. It's the second one, level 2, and in altcoins you are earning 10% from each operation, each deal. I'm earning 25% on each deal. No, 20% on each deal on altcoins. So for example, here I just gained 20%. So the boss, let's say the guy that started this project ZionTrade, is earning the other 80%. So in Bitcoin I am earning 25% from the deal. So when the deal is closed, I'm earning 25%. It's not just earning, I also lose 25% if the deal is for loss. So here I lost 25% of the buying price and selling price, so it has a difference. I just lost 10 cents and the owner of the site lost another 75%, so yeah, it's not a big deal. It's not that much money, so I'm not worried about this. So to increase your level, you need to start building like your team, and also they need to invest money here so you can increase your level. Also you can increase your level to level 3 if you invest 1000 USD. It doesn't matter where, altcoins or bitcoins. So if you have 1000 and you put here, it's going to be level 3, and level 3 is going to be 15% here, and here 20. And to increase to level 4, 5 and 6, I'm going to show you straight away. You have here, I'm level 4, and to increase the level, for example, for level 5 you need a deposit amount of 8000 USDT. It's for you, if I'm not wrong, or for your partners. No, I'm sorry, for your partners need to be 8000 in total. Also the number of friends, you need to have 8, so 8 friends needs to have 8000, so it's going to be 1000 for each like team member that you have. And someone in the first level need to be already level 4. You also, when you met these requirements, you earn 100 USDT. So yeah, it's something hard to understand. Also it's hard to me to explain in English, I'm sorry. Also you have videos on ZionTrade Telegram. I'm going to show you the Telegram. Also I'm going to leave it, try to leave it on the description, so do not worry about this. Also you have the trading statistics here. You can see the operation dates, the number of trades, the profit and the daily profit. So for example, 22 of January 2025 I had 27 trades, deals, I don't know, and my profit was 543, and the daily profit one was 1%. It's not that much. It's altcoins, it's my total deposit and total earned and total withdrawn already. And from the Bitcoin, this is the number of trades, the date, the how much profit did I earn. Also you have the support. You can click on support. It's going to ask you to open Telegram. If you don't have, you can install or use on the web browser, it doesn't matter. I just want to show you how is the Telegram channel, and you can only enter when you are part of the team of ZionTrade, so you need to invest at least $50 to start being a part of the ZionTrade team. So here, as you can see, this is the ZionTrade club. You have a lot of stuff here. I know it's everything in Russian, but you have English chat, so do not worry. You have memes here. You have people like English speakers. You can ask your questions here. Do not hesitate. You can ask here the questions. Also you have the support. As I say, if you have any problems with the site, they are going to respond within a few minutes. Do not worry, they are helping with everything. I never had a problem with them, so it's really easy, really cool. Let's do a quick overview. So you have dashboard when you can see all your money, all your altcoins, bitcoins, how much did you deposit, the money that you can withdraw, the money that you did today, the daily income, the affiliate program. You can see the operations that you did, the deposits from Bitcoin and the altcoins, and the operation history. Also you can create the deposit, you can withdraw from $5 and you can reinvest from $20. If you have any question, guys, just ask me on the comments. You can write to me on Telegram. I'll leave my Telegram on the description. Also, thank you for watching the video. It was my first video. I'm going to try to improve. It's also English, so I need to improve my English. I need to improve everything that I can do the best for you guys. And I have a lot of projects that I can show you guys, a lot of new ways to increase your income, to put your money to work. So please stay tuned. It's going to be a lot of new stuff on 2025. So I love you guys so much. Thank you very much. Have a nice day and bye.